Hey friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Today we are going to discuss about Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Russell and important precious commodities, gold and silver. Before we go ahead and start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit this bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos which I'm going to make on this channel. First of all, let's go ahead and see the economic calendar. The important data in the economic calendar is coming on this Tuesday. We have service PMI details coming on. On Friday, we have unemployment rate, non-farm payroll data. So Friday, there can be a movement in the market, but the most important data is coming on next Tuesday. Next Tuesday, we have inflation data coming. You can see here. This inflation data is coming on next Tuesday, and that will give a further direction into the market. So let's go ahead and start our analysis. We are going to do the technical review on these indexes and the commodities. So let's open the trading view, the technical tool which we use to understand the charts. So first we are going to check Nasdaq 100. You saw that Nasdaq gave a good upside from October 27th, and continuously it went up. Now it is standing on very important level of 16,000. Okay, so I think 16,150 is a very important resistance. This is marked in the black line. I think once we start trading and sustaining above this number, we are going to see a very big upside into Nasdaq 100. So you can see this level, 16,150. Once we cross this level, immediately we will see the push for 16,450 and 16,800 in coming sessions. This might take, as I say, coming sessions means it might take 15 days, 1 month, 2 months, but this move is definitely coming because a very important reason that after giving this breakout, okay, you can see there was a consolidation of 3 days. Again, it gave a next breakout. After this breakout, you can see this is a consolidation happening. This consolidation is going to be consumed and it will give a upside candle and then go up. Now, if we talk about the negative side, I can see that if we don't cross 16,150, then definitely the first support is 15,850, which is marked in this red line, and the second support is coming for 15,650. I don't think this is going to come, but only the one condition that we need to break and sustain above 16,150. So this is a very important level which we need to keep in our mind. The next index we have is Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, very solid breakout. You can see here it has a non-stop. It went up, and the Friday's closing is also a very strong up move close. So I think right now for S&P, for Dow Jones, we have the support of 36,100. So 36,100 is a solid support area. If we respect that area, or we respect that number, then definitely we are going to see 16,900 and sorry, 36,900, sorry, my bad. And the second target would be 37,400. The first target is 36,900. Second target is 37,400. If we start trading below 36,100, then the first target is a very small support. It is coming around, that is 35,950. And if we start trading below that, then 35,570. These are the two numbers for the downside. Now we are going to talk about S&P 500. For the S&P 500, I just want to show you the smaller time frame, that is 4-hour time frame. You can see here a solid breakout on this channel. Okay, And I think currently it is trading at a very important level or number, that is 4600. 4600, mark my words, uh, if it starts trading and sustaining above 4600, then the first target is coming around 4665 and the second target is 4710. These are the two short-term upside targets. Now, what about downside? If we don't manage to cross above 4600, then the first support is coming around 4575 and second support is coming around 4540. This is a channel bottom also. And if actually this is you can see uh, this is a trend reversal support, right? If we manage to close below 4540, then definitely we can see 4490. My overall uh, if you ask me, my view is bullish onto market. I think next week also we will see a very good upside into the market. So the next important uh, index is Russell 2000. It has given a solid upside. You can see here, uh, this was a very big green candle, which was up by almost 5.5%. This was a very important trading day for this index, and now you can see on this Friday closing was also very sharp up move. So I don't think that this index is going to stop now, because this was beaten down heavily from last many sessions. You can see here. Let us zoom it again. The high was 2033, and then gradually it came to 1640, and now it's time for this index to perform more. Right now, looking at this closing, I think that definitely you are going to see the first target of 1890 very soon, and then the next target is 1940. For this index, support is 1825. If it breaks this support towards the downside, then you can see the next support is around 1775. So 1825 to 1775 is a support area. If it breaks 1875, then you can see 1745 and 1710. Overall, again, I'm repeating myself. I think market is not going to you know uh, leave its bull momentum. It will show the bullish momentum again in the next week. Now the precious commodities, gold and silver, friends, from so many days, so many months, I am continuously talking about the important level of $2000. It has broken this level now, and finally it has closed around 2089. And right now I am seeing that currently for this index we have uh, the area of support and resistance, and that is 2100 is a very important resistance. If we manage to cross above 2100, then 2150 and 2225 are short term upside targets. If we don't cross 2100 on the downside, then the first support area is coming around, support level is coming around 2050. If we start trading below that also, then you will see 2025, and after that 2000. For this index also, or this commodity also, my view is positive. You might see some profit booking, but again reflecting to the upside, or on Monday itself you can straightforward see the upside into this index. So this was about gold. Now we are going to discuss about a last and very important commodity, that is silver. This is my favorite commodity. You can see here, uh, from last so many days, it was continuously trading between 23.5 to 22.5. You can see here. Let me mark that range. In this range, right? This range is between 23.50 to 22.50. It gave a solid breakout here on this candle, and then it started going up. To me, right now, 25.20, or you can say 25.20 to 25, this has become a very important support. Unless we don't cross below that, my view is bullish onto this index in this commodity. Either it can show some profit booking and then resume its gain again, or maybe it can directly start going upside on coming sessions. The first target should be 26.20, second target is 26.80, and third target is 27.25. And if it managed to trade and sustain above 27.5, then you are going to see very big numbers coming into this commodity. So I hope, my friends, you learned something in this video today. Last but not least, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. You have a good one.